In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 and today I would like to show you how you can delete the password from Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to hit Google. Now tap on All Services. Scroll again to tap on Autofill with Google and choose Google Password Manager. Now tap on one of your passwords you wish to delete and enter your screen lock. Then hit delete twice. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!